In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Replit app to Netlify. If you've built something in Replit and want to put it on the web with a shareable link, Netlify's manual deploy is a quick, reliable way to do it. We'll open Netlify, start a new project, choose the manual option, and upload your Replit project by dragging it in or selecting it from your computer. Before you begin, have your Replit project saved locally as a folder. For a simple static site, that folder should include an index.html file plus your CSS, JavaScript, and assets. If your project needs a build step, use the compiled output rather than the raw source. Keeping the folder lean makes the upload faster and avoids errors. Head to netlify.com in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right for the Add New Project dropdown and open it. Choose the option to deploy manually. This tells Netlify you'll provide the site files directly instead of connecting a Git repository. You'll see an upload area. If your files are ready, drag the entire project folder from your computer into that box. Dropping the folder preserves your structure. Index HTML at the top level and your assets in their subfolders. Give it a moment while Netlify uploads and processes everything. If you prefer not to drag and drop, click to browse and upload, then navigate to the same project folder, select it, and confirm. Netlify will begin the upload and show progress on the page. When the upload finishes, your site is automatically deployed, and you'll get a live URL you can open immediately in a new tab. Netlify will assign your site a temporary name. You can rename it later in the site's settings. Remember, manual deploy serves static files, so avoid uploading server-only code or unnecessary large folders. If the page doesn't look right, double-check that index.ease. HTML is at the root of the folder, and that paths to CSS, JavaScript, and images are relative and correctly spelled. Also confirm you uploaded the built output if your project compiles before running. That's the whole process. Go to Netlify, start a new project, choose manual deploy, and upload your Replit project by dragging it in or browsing to it. In a few moments, you'll have a live link to share.